Here's some tips to use subject headings when you do a search. So just under the search box, you'll see CINAHL headings. In here, I'm going to put Alzheimer's. And then just hit search. When I scroll down, you'll see that there's a list of different subject headings that can help me look into what sort of research is available. I'm just going to click on this link. When I click on Alzheimer's, you'll see that it sort of gives me a breakdown of where it lies in the lists of various diseases. So it's under something called nervous system diseases, and then dementia, and then presenile dementia, and Alzheimer's is in this dementia category. So when you're searching for research and you're thinking about Alzheimer's, you might actually want to think about it more broadly in the terms of dementia, because there's many more forms of dementia than there is of this particular disease. But it's up to you. It depends on what research you're doing. You'll notice that there's these boxes at the side, one that says major concept and one that says explode. When you click major concept, it's going to try and find articles that are just about Alzheimer's disease. It's not going to be looking for these broader concepts. If you hit explode, it will look for the broader concepts. So I'm going to stay specific. I'm going to do Alzheimer's, and then you'll see I have a load of list of different categories. I'm going to select nursing because I want it from a nursing context. And this is a way that I can kind of be a bit more controlled in the way I search. I'm going to click on Add to Search. And then you'll see up at the top, I have this sort of entry that says MM, Alzheimer's, and then nurses. So when I click here on all fields, I can scroll down and I can see what MM means. So I can see that they're looking for that subject heading that says Alzheimer's disease and nursing. So I should be able to get fairly specific articles. Also look that there's other different headings and different sort of little codes. They'll be used at different times within this database. And it's just a good practice to remember that you can just look here for a description of what those letters mean. So I'm going to remember my filters again. So make sure that it's full text and scholarly peer reviewed. I'm going to hit search. I've got over 100 different disease article results. And then I can look at the different titles and see whether it's going to be relevant or interesting to me.